Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today I am going to give you the themes of the story A Horse and Two Goats by R.K. Narayan. Okay, before giving the themes, let me tell you something about the story. A Horse and Two Goats is a short story written by R.K. Narayan. It is set in one of the tiniest villages in India, Kritam. The main part of the story is presented to the readers in the form of comic and humorous dialogue between Muni, a Tamil speaking poor villager, and an English speaking businessman from New York. The two men trying to communicate cannot seem to understand each other because of the lack of knowledge in others' language and culture. It is with their troubled communication that Narayan tries to explore the conflicts between rich and poor as well as between Indian and Western culture. Clear? Now let's start the theme of the story. Okay? The main theme of A Horse and Two Goats is clash of cultures, which is reflected through the troubled communication between Muni and the American. On one hand, Muni is the representative of typical Indian native who is poor, rural, and uneducated. He knows no English and is striving to make a living. On the other hand, the American who knows no Tamil but expects Muni to understand English. He is wealthy, urban, and educated and is only interested in a business deal with Muni. Both of them are quite ignorant of the other's ways of life. The West here is ignorant of the fact that poverty, hunger, bad weather, etc. are everyday troubles in the East. The East-West opposition is highlighted through Muni and the American conversing in their respective languages. Muni speaks Tamil, the American speaks English. The clash between materialism and spiritualism is another important theme of the story. The American is linked with materialism and Muni with spiritualism. The American is a rich businessman whose only concern is to buy the horse statue as a decorative item for his drawing room. On the other hand, Muni is poor and had no formal schooling. Muni has never been to school. He believes that God will always save humans from evil. He is concerned with the description of end of the world. Wealth and poverty is another important theme of the story. Muni and the American differ in their levels of wealth. The opening of the story highlights Muni is very poor and even in his time of prosperity, his standard of living was still below that of the American. The American is unaware of the difference between Muni and himself. Knowledge and ignorance is also another theme of the story. Muni had no formal education. He grew up as a member of a lower caste when only the Brahmins, the highest caste, could attend school. He has not travelled beyond his village and he likes to watch trucks and buses go by on highway a few miles away so that he can have a sense of belonging to a larger world. American, on the other hand, had the benefits of an American education. He had a room full of books. On one level, he is familiar with the larger world around him in a way that Muni never will be. But Muni tries to tell him the significance of horse statue, but the American sees it only as a living room decoration. Okay, this is the theme of the story, A Horse and Two Goats by R.K. Narayan. Clear? Up to this much. In my next video, I am going to bring something new. Until then, goodbye.